My name's Stuart Fraser. I'm the CEO of Frontline Make Change and the soon to open Frontline Bikes. Basically, we're based in Inchicore. The idea of the social enterprise is to upcycle second-hand bikes and rebrand them completely and sell them to the public. Basically, we've got a range of stakeholders. We've got the Garda Síochána who are going to give us disused bikes. We have Rotary Ireland who are going to donate bikes to us. And we've also got Recycle IP who are collecting bikes for us as well. So we'll get free product. They'll then be taken into one of our CE schemes that we have going as well and stripped down, and then our employees will then respray, brand, put in new cog gear, brake sets and sell out to the public. Basically, we found in our main addiction service that one of the disadvantages our clients have is actually finding full-time employment. This is a major gap, and basically sometimes if they can't get back into that working cycle and into societal reintegration, basically we find that they slip back and relapse, either committing crime or going back to using drugs and alcohol. Hopefully by providing employment and training opportunities, this will deviate them from that cycle. The Dublin City Enterprise Award Scheme is an integral part of our setup costs. It's basically going to help refurb and refit this whole retail unit, and we couldn't have done it without them.